Hey guys, so I installed these Detroit brakes. It was 2023, I believe it was on September 17th or something like that. And here we are, we're September 7th, 2025. So I just want to take a quick look at them. We're getting ready to go on vacation again, and I just want to see what the brakes are looking like, if I need to change them out before I go, or if I can wait a while longer. I'm currently at 230,000 miles on this. I don't remember putting the mileage in. I'm going to try looking that up, and I'll put that up here and somewhere here at the bottom or something, what the mileage was when I changed the brakes. But let me go ahead and get into it, and let's take a look. Okay, so the rotors themselves have a little bit of grooving, not bad. I mean, it's still very smooth. Everything looks good. The pads, I'm actually glad I went ahead and did this and check them out for this trip. They're down to about 1/8 of an inch. And that's both front and back on this caliper. See if I can get into this right here with the light to show you. Yeah, you can see the pad there. Getting a little bit thin. And these, once again, these were the original Detroit axle ones I put on there about 2 years ago. Once again, I'll put the mileage up, what it was then compared to now. I'm guessing 50,000 miles, somewhere in there, 40 to 50,000 miles on it. Which, given the price I paid for it, I'm very happy with that. But I won't bother you guys with having to switch out, check all the other tires. The rear ones are a little bit thicker, but once again, your rear brakes you don't use near as much as your front ones. I will probably skip changing those pads at the moment, but I'm going to currently be on my way to O'Reilly's and pick up a set of pads and go ahead and switch out the front ones. I'm not going to worry about grinding the rotors or nothing. There's no ridge there, so I'm not worried about it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I just want to do a quick update on these. Definitely was worth the money, and they've lasted longer than I thought they would. I was afraid that the pads that came with the set wouldn't last very long, but they've done way better than I thought. I am glad I checked it today, because that's definitely not that's not going to last when it comes to doing the mountain driving I'm planning on going to Colorado. And for comparison, that's what is coming off of the car. And that's what's going back on. You can definitely tell there's a substantial difference. But still, 2 years. I still gotta get what the mileage was, the difference, but I'd still say that they lasted pretty good, to be honest with you. I've seen brake pads wear out a lot faster than that. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will catch you in the next one.